I have to go so bad. Honestly, in your back seat. I'm sorry.
Ma'am, I'll get you through right now. You gotta hold it.
I can't.
Complex is 5-6.
10-4.
157-10-4.
Go run the license plate and see if it's for run the RO.
Where's it at?
Okay.
Do you have your ID on you? Do you have your ID? Can I see it? Where is it? Can you get it for me?
Hey.
Not necessarily elaboration, but he has
Do you have your ID, ma'am? You don't have it? What's your name?
What?
I do want to know your name. We got called here to talk to you. Camille? Can you spell that for me?
C-A-M-I-L.
They're leaving?
I can leave.
No, you're going to hang out right here, okay, till we figure out what's going on. C-A-M-I-L-L-A?
Sure.
Was that how you spell it or no?
Yeah.
Do you know your social?
Yeah.
What is that?
Why? What's yours?
I'm not going to tell you my social. I need to know yours because I need to identify you.
Ready? This is to fuck your ass.
Oh, that's not very nice.
I know.
I've been very nice to you, don't you think?
Alright, 505. Modelo.
Okay.
I know.
No, that's cool.
Is that like 2 strikes too much? I'm sorry, I like Modelo.
Okay. Doing well yourself? No, you're gonna have to stay right here.
How's it going?
Let's go, man. How about yourself?
Everything all right over here?
Yeah, everything's okay.
Okay.
You guys okay?
Yeah.
Cool.
So, is it okay?
Yeah, you're good to go.
With the
Yeah.
kids?
Yeah,
Okay,
you're good.
Okay.
Huh? Yeah, she won't give me any identifiers.
Hi, Camille. What's going on?
Tried to ask her for her name, social, nothing.
So,
Obviously,
That's her
have
car,
not
obviously.
the credentials.
she
card.
was cut up here. Saw the card.
Yes.
Okay. So then, I can make contact with her.
I gotta get the fuck out. Because I have a
parked there.
German Shepherd.
There's no dog there. She crashed over there.
German Shepherd.
Intersection.
Okay.
You see the damage of her car.
So bad.
Her seatbelt is loose. Let's strip it off.
I can see the injury there.
You can see the mark. Heavily intoxicated.
No,
as you can
it's
see,
not that. 3 beers and a half.
first was 2 now, 2.5.
I have to pee so bad.
Leave the scene of the crash. She's intoxicated. They cut her off. She was back and forth as far as saying she's going to drive from here and then not going to drive from here.
Can
Okay.
I stand
But
up?
I mean, obviously we have proof that she did drive.
I have to.
So are we going to charge leaving scene and then 47?
Yes, I was thinking about that.
Sit down. Sit down.
My whole thing was.
I have to keep. I'm sorry.
Have a seat.
I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go.
Have a seat.
There is. Wait.
Have a seat.
Wait.
Have a seat.
All right, keep going.
Supposedly she called her friend from was supposed to be here.
Marisa. No, she's not here. I have to pee so bad. Do you know female urgency to go? Sorry. I gotta go.
Obviously she was going to drive at that point because based on the pictures.
Sit down.
That's all we have.
Okay. So is that just leaving scene and then 47?
Bad.
Yeah. And then,
Super bad.
Okay.
I wouldn't do fields.
No. So, and then re-implied and that's it?
Yeah, just re-implied.
Go ahead and put your purse down. Okay. It's Camille, right?
Yeah.
All right, Camille. So look, this is what's going on right now, okay?
All right,
so you're being placed under arrest. Turn around. Hands behind your back, please. Turn around. Hands behind your back. Come on, Camille.
All right.
Thank you. Do you have any jewelry or anything on?
Again? I feel so bad.
I understand. We'll get you a bathroom.
Wait. Under oath. Under oath.
At 40 now, 41.
These are your lawyers?
Yeah.
Can I borrow your cuff key, Nick? Can I borrow your cuff key?
I'm gonna leave the person in the car. I'll take the phone in the wall.
Why?
Yeah. All right, Camille, so you're being placed under arrest, 1, for leaving the scene of an accident, number 2, for driving while intoxicated, okay? I'm going to read a few things to you while... Okay. Well, I'm going to have you step in front of my vehicle. I'm going to read you a couple things, okay?
Who's that?
Right.
David
Miss
Bowie?
Davis?
No.
All right.
No.
All right, Miss Davis, we'll step over here in front of my unit real quick, please. Miss Davis, please step with me, please.
I have to pee.
I understand. We'll get you a restroom. Come on. Okay. The tow sheet's in my vehicle on the driver's side, passenger side. Come on, Miss Davis. Miss Davis, come on. Right here, right in front of my car. Miss Davis, come here. I'm going to read you a few things. Can you open your mouth for me? Miss Davis? Can you open your mouth for me, please? Can you open your mouth? All right. Have a seat. Have a seat. We can do this the easy way or the hard way. Right now I'm being very, very patient with you. We don't need to do that, all right?
No.
Miss Davis, have a seat.
Chill.
Relax.
I'm telling you, if
You don't need to add stuff.
You're going to start racking up more charges. We don't want that, okay? We want this to go as peaceful as possible. Okay?
Alright, so Camille, listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important. You are under arrest for driving while intoxicated. The New Mexico Applied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, or laboratory technician or technologist who's employed by a hospital or physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional chemical test will be paid for by the law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test? I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license or non-resident operating privileges for 1 year. If you are convicted in court for driving under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Do you understand? Do you now agree to be tested? Okay, I'll take that as a no. Have you step to the back of my vehicle. Come on, step over here. Miss Davis, stop. Do you have anything on your person I need to know about? Anything on like the rim of your pants here or anything? Have a seat. Have a seat. Come on. Miss Davis, come on. Have a seat. There's no need to do this. Come on.
Absolutely not.
There's absolutely no need to do this. You're adding on to your charges. Stop. Just have a seat. Come on. Have a seat. Watch your feet. I don't want to close the door on your feet. Come on. Come on. I don't want to close the door on your foot.
I cannot.
Miss Davis, come on. There we go. Thank you very
Can
much.
I have my friend with me as a witness?
Cannot.
Why not?
Because you're under arrest. That's why.
All right. Thank you.
Can I have my purse?
Your purse will go with your friend.
When I rolled up,
Thank you, sir.
for the PSAs they were handling,
Thank you, guys. Have a good night.
Just each of our location. Can you contact them and have the PSA give me a 21? There's blue paint transfer and they're out with a blue car.
I'm gonna piss myself.
Yeah, sir.
540 Central.
540 Central.
Go ahead.
540. I'll have the 41 10 15. You can go ahead and mark her 47. Deprivation period start 1831. Read the implied consent advisory card. She did refuse. You can go ahead and mark me en route to the 81.
Use the bathroom.
I'll get you a restroom at our station, ma'am.
Step forward.
Oh.
1015, 1047, demonstrated at 1831.
For the vehicle.
Just sign it or
Step
no?
forward, 47.
Does she want her purse going with a friend or coming with us? Do you want your friend to have your purse?
Yes.
Okay. The lady right here in the white and black, correct? What's her name? I'm asking so we know who to give the purse to.
Marisa.
Is that Marisa right there?
Well, I have to pee.
I will get you a bathroom. I'm asking if this is the person you want me to give your purse to. Do you want me to give this to... All right, ma'am. Anything on like the rim of your pants here or anything? Have a seat. Come on. Miss Davis, come on. Have a seat. There's no need to do this. Come on.
Absolutely not.
There's absolutely no need to do this. You're adding on to your charges. Stop. Have a seat. Come on. Have a seat. Watch your feet. I don't want to close the door on your feet. Come on. Come on. I don't want to close the door on your foot.
I cannot.
Miss Davis, come on. There we go. Thank you very
Can I
much.
have my friend with me as a witness? Why not?
You're under arrest. That's why.
Can I have my purse and all my,
When I rolled up, APD, for the PSAs they were handling, I think it was a 44. Just each of our location. Can you contact them and have the PSA give me a 21? There's blue paint transfer and they're out with a blue car.
I'm gonna piss myself.
Go ahead.
I have to pee. I have to pee. Can I please use the restroom? Can I please use the bathroom? Can I please use the bathroom?
I'll get you a restroom at our station, ma'am.
No. It's too far. It's too far. I have to go now. I have to go now.
Number 1, take off 46 right there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Hurry up then. Hurry up then. Hurry up.
You want your friend to have your purse?
Yes.
Okay. The lady right here in the white and black, correct? What's her name? I'm asking so we know who to give the purse to.
Marisa.
Is that Marisa right there?
Well, I have to pee.
I will get you a bathroom. I'm asking if this is the person you want me to give your purse to. Do you want me to give this? All right, ma'am.
I'm piss myself.
I'll get you a restroom as fast as I can.
Right now, I'm gonna piss myself.
I could print one.
I could too. I could too. Hurry up, I have to pee. Go fast. Go fast. Go fast. Oh my god, go fast. Hurry up. Hurry up. There's a Subaru. Hurry up.
540, make sure you get the keys before you leave.
I have to pee. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh.
I'm peeing. I'm peeing. I'm going. I'm going. I'm going.
You're peeing my unit.
I'm done? Yeah. No, I'm done. I'm going. I have to go. Girl.
Thank you.
Hurry up. I told them I have to go. I have to go in the bathroom. My rights. Hurry up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Go, 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 go.
And the parking lot, okay, this is so at a very, very nice pace.
Are we taking me to Galena's? I have to pee really bad.
I understand. Get your restroom here. Get your answer.
What, Arby's? I have to go so bad. I'm gonna pee in your back seat. I'm sorry.
Ma'am, I'll get you to the restroom. You gotta hold it.
I can't.
Alright.
Cannot. Sorry, broskies. I'm gonna pee my fucking...
Straight to the door right there. I'll go right here. I step right in here. Have a seat for just a moment.
Thanks.
Have a seat for just a moment. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Thanks.
Go ahead and take a seat. All right. Five 407.
Go ahead.
If you could just mark on the CAD that the 41 did urinate inside of my vehicle.
Yeah, sir.
Here.
Really?
Yep. So I tried to explain it to you on scene. You have the option still to give a breath sample. Is your answer still no? Yes? Okay. So as soon as this thing times out, we'll go ahead and I'll see if I can find you a change of clothes.
I know.
So we'll go from there.
And then what? Who's my photographer?
I'm not your photographer.
I don't have a Lamborghini. Lambo, really? Wow. I could have a Lambo. I guess green. Where's the mic?
There's no mic, ma'am. It's just running its tests. Hang on, just stay right there. Alright, I just need to let the machine do what it's going to do, and then after that's done, I know you've already used the restroom. Do you want to try and use it again? Do you need to use it again? No? Okay. Well, once the machine goes off, I'll put you in there. You can hang out for a few minutes while I type everything up, and then I'll get you there. I'll try and find you some pants. Do you know your friend's phone number?
No.
Not by heart?
No.
Is there anybody's phone number you do know by heart that can possibly bring you a change of clothes?
No.
Okay. Well, we'll try and see what we can do. I don't know if we have much here.
I know. Bad. You don't have change of clothes here.
No, we don't really carry changes of clothes, ma'am.
drive there, obviously. But
Are you feeling any pain in your chest? You have a pretty nasty mark right there across your chest where the seatbelt goes.
maybe a little.
So again, this is the opportunity. Do you want to blow in the machine? It's completely your opportunity. If you want to, you can still refuse.
I don't like that so much.
Okay, well, I'll just take that as a refusal. We'll just hang here for a few minutes. I'll take you for a medical clearance, and when we get to the hospital, see if they have maybe a pair of scrubs they can give you. You can put on as a pair of pants. Okay?
To this address to have the clearance on the top. Alright, let's go.
Hold on. Hang tight. Just hang us. Have a seat. We got a couple minutes here. I told you. Once that machine starts making its alarm sounds, we can go
I
ahead.
have to go to this German Shepherd.
Is it your job? Is that your dog?
It could be. Unfortunately, it could be. He has to have dinner soon, like an hour or less.
We don't have dinner here, ma'am.
I know,
But when I
he
take you to
does.
when I take you to PTC, we can let them know if you have or haven't eaten anything. I can let them know to get you a bag lunch.
No, not me, but the German.
I'm sure the dog will be okay.
No.
Have you step back in here for me? And I'll go ahead and take one of your cuffs off, but you can have a seat on any one of the chairs.
Sorry.
It's alright.
How many minutes do we have to wait?
It's going to be probably about 20. Yeah, probably about 20 minutes.
Okay, thanks.
After about 20 minutes, I'm going to take you to the doctor.